Good afternoon, happy Valentine's Day, and happy spring, Vancouver. Yes, while the rest of the country is deep in hibernation, we have sprung lots and lots of new growth. Actually, I've been back at work for a couple of weeks and starting to clean things up. The first job, of course, is cutting back the hydrangeas. All these dead flowers have to go down. Expect your hydrangeas to grow about 10% every year, so if you want to keep them the same size, reduce them by 10%. It's a rule of thumb. Yeah, I want to mark this moment of beginning of the season, mostly just blowing and cleaning still. Places are a mess. Lots of winter debris. Lawns are all full of twigs, leaves, so they have to be mowed like a vacuum cleaner. Anyway, I'll see you next time when I have something serious to tell you. Happy spring!